let's do some drawing of structures based upon the IUPAC naming. The first one we have here is to draw 5,1,2 dimethyl propyl 2-methyl nonane. So the first step will be to draw the parent chain first. So nonane, that means 9 carbon atoms. So we'll draw a skeleton of 9 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Next, let's do the attachments. 2-methyl. So the first attachment here on the second carbon. Then we have 5,1,2 dimethyl propyl. So on the fifth carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the fifth carbon, first we'll draw the propyl group, which is 3 carbon. Then we have 1, 2 dimethyl. So let's take this to be the first one. So we have 1, 2. We have here 1 and 2. So CH3, CH3. So we've put all the attachment. Now let's balance it with the H groups. So this is going to be C3, CH3, here 1, 2, 3. The fourth bond with the H, your 1 and 2 is satisfied, 2 bonds with H, 1 and 2 is satisfied, 2 bonds with H, 1, 2 and 3 is satisfied, so 1 with H. Here again we have H2, here again we'll have H2, here again H2, and this will be H3. Now here 1, 2 and 3 bonds are satisfied, so you have an H here. Here again 1, 2, 3 is satisfied, so H here, and this will be H3. So this will be your structure for 5,1,2 dimethyl propyl 2-methyl nonane. Let's see the next one. Next one is 4-tertiary butyl 3-methyl heptane. So same thing, we'll first draw the parent chain heptane, that means 7 carbon atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have 3-methyl. So the third carbon has the methyl group. So let's take this one, CH3. Then 4-tertiary butyl. On the fourth one, we have a tertiary group. So tertiary butyl will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. And the tertiary group is like this. So CH3 here, this is CH3, this is CH3. We've put all the fixations, all the substitute. Now let's put the H's. This is going to be H3, this is going to be H2, H2. 1, 2, 3 bonds are satisfied, so 1 with H. 1, 2 and 3 is satisfied, so 1 with H. This is also H2, and this is going to be H3. Here it's all satisfied, all 4 bonds are satisfied, so that's the structure. 4-tertiary butyl 3-methyl heptane. The next one, let's see the next one. Next one we have 2,4,4 trimethyl pentane 2-ol. So parent chain is pentane 2-ol. Pentane is 5 carbon, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The second one has the all functional group, which is a alcohol group, so OH. Then 3,4,4 trimethyl, so 3 CH3. On 4 we have 2 methyl groups, so let's do it like this. So we put all the substitute. Now let's balance it with H. This becomes H3. 1, 2, 3 is satisfied, so just 1. 1, 2, 3 is satisfied, so just 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 are satisfied, and here you have H3. So that's the structure for 3,4,4 trimethyl pentane 2-ol. The fourth one here we have is 5,2-ethyl butyl 3,3 dimethyl decane. So decane is a 10 carbon compound. So let's just do that first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then we have 3,3 dimethyl. So that would be, let's put it here, CH3, CH3. Then on the fifth carbon, that's 1 2 3 4 5, on this carbon we have 2-ethyl butyl. So for this one, the butyl is the parent group, so let's put butyl first. 1 2 3 4 and 5, I put butyl. 2-ethyl, so 2-ethyl will be here. That's the structure. Let's balance it with H groups, H molecule. So this is H3, this is H2. This is already balanced. 1 2 3 4. This will be H2, this will be H, H2, H2 here, H2 here, H2 here, and H3 here. This will be H2, this will be H, H2, H2, and H3. That's our structure. 5 2-ethyl butyl, 3,3-dimethyl decane. Let's check the last one. The last one, it's 3,3-diethyl 5-isopropyl 4-methyl octane. Parent group again, so let's do that. 8, octane is 8, so 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Then let's put the first attachment, 4-methyl. Then we have 3,3-diethyl, that's another attachment, so let's put it here. Ethyl group here, ethyl group here. Then I have 5-isopropyl here, fifth one. Isopropyl is when the second carbon is connected, so it's going to look something like this. So now let's put the H bonds. This is going to have 3, this is going to have 2, all 4 is satisfied. 1 2 3 4. This is going to have 1, this is going to have 1 1 2, this is going to have 2 2 here, 3 here, this is going to have 1. So that's the structure for 3,3-dimethyl 5-isopropyl 4-methyl octane.